the first thing is the testosterone has to be measured to know if in fact it's low. But if you've had it measured and it's low, then I would say that getting enough sleep, moderate exercise, good nutrition, all gives you the chance to optimize your testosterone. If those things are not working, the first medication that I would use is clomiphene, which is off-label used to increase testosterone. It's also a fertility drug. And the other alternative, of course, is to replace testosterone, which is my second option, not my first for patients. That would be by patch, cream, or injection. First, get it measured. Try to get enough sleep. Try to take care of your general health and your well-being. That should increase your testosterone naturally. And if it doesn't, speak to your doctor about these medications that I mentioned that can help it.